everybody, and welcome to my shop. I have my friend Simone here. Yeah, everybody knows who Simone is, and we've built stuff together before. I think this is our 5th project now.
Yeah, no, we built a Pussy Grabs back machine.
This pussy grabs back!
A robot arm for Smootho.
Ours. Chocolate. Then we did the Savage builds. Oh, congrats, that was great. So much.
Tampon dispenser.
Yeah. Whip. Thank you. Some time ago, we came up with a product together.
That is a very generous description of it. Laura sent me a voice message from like right as she'd woken up, and she was like, hey, I have an idea for a product.
There was the idea to have dice that help you come up with creative ideas for projects. And then Simone made it happen, and now here they are.
So basically it's 3 dice, one that has objects, one that has materials, and one that has attributes or properties. So you can roll them to get like a very specific build brief and kind of have that as a starting point of brainstorming. And we did a project with these for my YouTube channel that we filmed, and now we're gonna do another build for you, and I'm so excited. Like
the first project was such a success. Oh, it looks perfect! Okay, houseware made of wood, extra big or small, sounds like a camper project to me.
Oh, it does. And I think we would do extra small.
You can take it home. I could use it for the camper. We can make 2 versions.
You can keep it.
No, you should.
You keep it. We don't even know what it is yet.
No, already arguing. Extra small. What is always too big?
A chair, a couch, but like what's house or cutting board? Mm-hmm. As always, they're not that hard to store though.
No. I mean, I do like the idea of maybe like a small cutting board that's also the sheath for the knife. So you can like take it out in one go and just like a cucumber size, you know?
But I'm wondering if the sheath could almost be that you fold it out so you actually have it be a little bit bigger.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
So you kind of like fold it around the knife and then that's the sheath.
But folding and cutting with like juices, like folding means some kind of hinge.
Imagine like a manila folder or like a folder, that type of plastic. Because I'm wondering if it could be wood that's covered in that plastic and then the hinge is just out of that. Does that make sense?
I wonder if we need it, you know?
It's just a very small cutting board.
Depends on the knife.
How big of a knife do you need for your cucumbers?
I always cut with a kitchen knife. And I think big knives are always safer than small knives because you're less likely to cut yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Do you know the Phoenix grip? Didn't have a cucumber. So, did you know you can snap a banana in half?
Wow.
Fingernails go a little bit in.
Yeah, and you guide it with your knuckles.
Yeah, that's the Phoenix grip.
Yeah.
And then there's no way you can cut yourself.
Laura making eye contact with me while she's cutting a banana ferociously is unnerving in a very unspecified way.
Simone has an idea. I have an idea.
For whatever reason.
I think she will fail, but we will see. We will do the juice test, and I think your hinge will be sticky as hell.
But there's no hinge, it's just a sheet of plastic. I love that we were so peaceful the first 2 days and we're like, wow, we're collaborating.
It takes 2 days to show our real selves.
Oh no, you have to do that, Laura. Good luck.
It's more that I can't let go of my idea and less that I don't like your idea.
Yeah, I just like, and I like I want to try it.
Yeah, you should try it.
Yeah, what is your idea?
Like a tiny sheath. That's it.
Really?
You want to use plywood?
I'll just use plywood. This would be perfect. Oh yeah, cool. Can I use this?
Yes. Okay.
Do you have magnets?
Magnets. Let me check upstairs.
So basically the plan is to make a sheath for the knife that you can fold over. Now it's a sheath, now it's a cutting board. I want this to be covered in plastic, kind of similar to like you have in folders, but we don't have that. So for now, I'm just gonna use tape as a hinge. Done. I mean, I'm not done. I'll put in magnets. Oh, I should probably not get epoxy on her knife. Did I do it right? I can't tell if it's simple because it's just simple or simple because it's genius. I think this would be a nice little camping kitchen kit. Do I go camping? No, I do not. So if Laura doesn't want it, then I guess I'll just have to put it in a little basket and push it down the river. It's about the extent of my Bible knowledge.
It could come over half of this, so
Yeah.
you can cut and have it inside, you know?
Oh, that's cool. That's nice.
Yeah, because if it covers all of it, you don't have anywhere to go. If it covers this side, it's really awkward to push it in, so I think to make it like this.
I'm liking your idea more.
You still want to join me?
No.
A little more? It looks pretty good. The sound is great too. Hey Simone,
Yep.
can I have one of your magnets?
Oh, you want one of the magnets that's actually your magnet? Yeah?
Yes, please. Where would it be? The thickest is there. Maybe.
You can have two.
I think one is enough. They're so strong.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Not needed anymore.
The hardcore test will be this, right? I think it's okay. It's good enough. And it makes the sound even better. Ooh, it is a little tighter than it was. Let glue dry. Are you done though?
No.
No, with show me the concept. I don't want to look. I want you to present it.
Oh, okay. Where's the knife?
I have it behind my back.
Yeah, but then you do yours first.
Okay.
Yeah?
You are so underwhelmed.
It's a knife sheath.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
It's not done. This is just to glue up. Okay, show me yours. Hold on.
I'm feeling so self-conscious now. Okay, you have to do some imagining. But basically, here's the knife sheath, and then you flop it open, and it's a little cutting board, and this will all be plastic. So this seam and this hinge would be like clear plastic. It's a little bit annoying that there are magnets in the cutting board. So yeah, that's my concept.
Good job.
Oh, thank you. I mean, I still need to finish it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. What I really like about the prompts and the constraints is that it gives you a starting off point, and then you can decide if you like that starting off point or not. But instead of like floating around in space of possibilities, it's like, okay, here's where we're at. Can we find something here that we want to build? I don't know. I think it's really fun.
Are you selling plants for this?
Somehow it's like when you do sick burns, Laura, it's like
worse,
it's always
right?
shocking because you're also like the nicest person, and then you're like.
Nice.
Put some on mine too.
Houseware, extra small, wood.
Wood.
Okay, you want to go first?
Yeah, okay. The idea is to have a knife sheath that's also a cutting board, so you can close it with magnets and then you can open it, and then you can use this as a small cutting board. So should I cut some banana?
Hardcore testing.
The toughest of
The toughest
a fruit. Yeah.
It works!
Wow, it's a cutting board, isn't it? Look at that.
Wow. But I was worried about your hinge,
Yeah.
and it's not a problem at all. So I'm convinced. I'm convinced.
Thank you. It's the nicest thing you've ever said to me. I think it's kind of cool to have like a plastic hinge, and then once you're done with your banana, you can just
You can put it in your pocket.
you can put it here in your back pocket, and then you can pull out that, and then you can pull out your pocket banana, and we're gonna do that.
Well, I mean, how do I follow this?
I don't know.
I will start with the flaws. You can only put it in one side, so I should have cut it symmetrical. Once it's in and you have the right knife, no rattling, it's made for the camper, so that's good. And then I have the trays that I always eat out of. I can put it on the tray, it has a positive lock. I can take the banana, and then I can cut it.
Phoenix cut.
Phoenix cut. And then just put it in the tray when I'm done.
I feel like we're both in a Shark Tank episode where we're trying to get people to invest in our cutting board designs.
Yeah, so let us know in the comments.
No, don't.
Oh, and this is also, hold on, you take a thin piece of banana. What do you see in this? It's a Rorschach test. This was about getting started and having fun in the shop, even if you don't have a good idea.
like my friend Simone over here.
Simone from America. If you want your own set of build dies, head over to yetch.store. There's also a link in the description. And now, please check out what happened on our camping trip a few days later. My cutting board got stuck in the train and we can't get to the cutlery. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as Simone is enjoying this banana. And we'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!
Can we watch it?